I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Band 8 watch. First, ensure your new Band 8 is fully charged, which typically takes about 45 minutes for a full charge. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Band 8 via Bluetooth. This connection is crucial for syncing your data and customizing settings, making sure you're ready to go in just a few simple steps. Navigating your Band 8 is intuitive. Swipe up or down on the watch face to quickly access your notifications and essential quick settings like Do Not Disturb. Swiping left or right allows you to cycle through various widgets, displaying information such as your current heart rate, daily activity summary, and local weather forecast. A single press of the side button will open your full app list, and pressing it again will return you to the main watch face, offering seamless control. Your Huawei Band 8 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing real-time data throughout your day. You can track over 100 different workout modes, from outdoor running to swimming, with detailed metrics for each. The band also offers comprehensive sleep tracking, breaking down your sleep into distinct stages. Furthermore, it will gently remind you to move if you've been inactive for over 1 hour, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Personalize your Band 8 experience to truly make it your own. The Huawei Health app offers a vast collection of watch faces, allowing you to change your look daily. You can easily set alarms, timers, and event reminders directly from your wrist, keeping you organized. Additionally, control your phone's music playback with a simple tap. To maximize your battery life, which can last up to 14 days, consider adjusting screen brightness and disabling features you don't frequently use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.